Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty stuffed vegetables meat crepes. Like, these crepes are super tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cup of wheat flour, 1 large slice of onion, a half a lemon or you can use a lime, different types of bell peppers, a half a kg of mincemeat. I've used the cow or you can use any other mincemeat that you prefer, some water that we're going to use to make our crepes. Then I have different types of spices. You can add or you can reduce the spices. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of beef masala, some salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of royco, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic pastes. Our first step, we're going to prepare our vegetable crepes. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, you'll start by adding the mixed green bell pepper, a bit of sliced onions and some salt to taste, and mix well. At this point, you can also add 1 egg if you're going to use a stick pan, but if your pan is a non-stick, it's optional to add the egg. Then lastly, you're going to pour some water. Pour gradually while mixing until everything is nicely combined. The consistency of the batter should be like this, and it's high time to make our vegetable crepes. Place a non-stick pan on a medium heat, then grease the pan and let the pan to heat up a bit. Once the pan is hot, you're going to scoop 1 lather of the batter and swirl the pan around so that the crepe can be nicely distributed around the pan. Once the top part of the crepe is dry like this, then you're going to apply some oil on top of the crepe, then flip the crepe on the other side and let it cook until the crepe is nicely cooked and golden brown color. Once your crepe is nicely cooked and it has this amazing golden brown color on both sides, then your crepe is ready, and remove it out from the pan and continue with the rest until you're completely done with all the batter. Then our next step, you're going to make our mincemeat stew. In a pan or a pot, you're going to pour approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add the remaining onions and cook the onions till soft and golden brown color. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic pastes. Then you're going to add the mincemeat and mix well, then cover to let the mincemeat to cook until nicely cooked. Once your mincemeat is nicely cooked like this, then we're going to add the spices which we have mentioned in the beginning. You can add the spices or you can reduce the spices, that's up to you. Then afterwards, you're going to add 3 blended tomatoes and mix the mincemeat very well. Then afterwards, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Despite that, I didn't show these 2 ingredients, but you're going to need tomatoes and tomato paste. Then mix the mincemeat very well and let the mincemeat to continue to cook. Once the mincemeat is nicely cooked and the stew is thick like this, lastly, I'm going to squeeze a half a lemon, or you can use a lime to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. And let the stew to continue to cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. And after 3 to 5 minutes, our mincemeat stew is ready. At this point, if you want your mincemeat to be dry, you can let the mincemeat to continue to cook until dry. But if you want your mincemeat to have a bit of sauce, then your mincemeat is ready and remove it out from the heat and place it aside. And it's high time to fold our vegetable crepes. You're going to take 1 crepe at a time. Then you're going to add some mincemeat and fold the crepe as you can see in the video step by step. Repeat the same process until you're completely done with all the crepes. And our tasty stuffed vegetable crepes are ready as you can see in the video. I'm going to cut one so you can able to see how the inside look. Like these crepes are super tasty. Enjoy with a cold drink or tea and enjoy your stuffed vegetable crepes. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of crepes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukia's Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.